Okay, so the next concept that we're going to talk about is relative risk. It's pretty commonly used in public health studies, and you might even notice it being printed up in newspapers or things that you're reading online. So I thought it was really important that we at least discuss it. It allows researchers, or you as a educated person with some statistics knowledge, to be able to compare probabilities in terms of their ratio. Okay, so not looking at the difference, but looking at the ratio. And so in general, if the relative risk or the ratio is 1, it indicates that the probabilities are about the same. If you get something more than 1, that means that the probability on top is more than the probability on the bottom. So there's an increased risk for the top group. And if it's less than 1, it means that the probability on top is smaller than the probability on the bottom, meaning that there's a decreased risk for the top group. So just going back to our brain cancer example, if we were to think about this in terms of conditional probability, we're going to bring us back to our probability days a long time ago. But if I wanted to sort of say, just for those that own cell phones, so let's look just at this row for those that own cell phones. Those that have brain cancer, there's 18 of them, right? So I'm going to have 18 of them out of 98. Okay, and if I plug that into my calculator, that means it's let's go with round it to 2, so 18%. Okay,